I hope you guys are all pumped up now because from here onwards, we have started HTML section and it's going to be more about coding now and less boring theories. So getting back to the website that I was showing to you guys in the previous Intro to Web Development section, we have now come to the HTML creating web pages section. So I'll click on it. And now we are on the first chapter, which is using tools in Chrome. So students, I'm sure you must have used browsers to visit different websites like this Chrome browser, or you may have used Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, just to name a few. Most of these browsers, apart from helping you visit websites, which is their primary role, also come with a few tools that helps you to explore the HTML and CSS of a web page. So to do that, I'll just right click on this page and go on inspect. So this particular black box comes up, and if you see over here on the left hand side, the entire HTML markup of this page is being shown. And on the right side, the CSS or design of this page is being shown. So we'll be covering the CSS in further sections. For now, we'll keep our focus on the HTML side of things. So as you can see over here, if I just close these arrow buttons, you can see what this basic web page looks like. It has a doc type HTML tag, which defines the document type of this page, that is HTML. There's an opening HTML tag, closing HTML tag, a head tag, and a body tag. You need not be confused with these tags right now because we'll be covering them in further chapters. The purpose of this chapter is to only introduce you to this inspect tool in Chrome, so that when I start using it while designing websites from next chapter onwards, you feel comfortable with it. So students, if I want to see the HTML for a particular element on this page, I'll click on this arrow button and I'll go and select that particular element on the page. And as you can see, this line has been highlighted over here, which is HTML topics to cover under the H2 tag. Let's say if I want to edit this content, just to change the look on this web page, whatever I write over here gets reflected on the web page itself. So I hope you understand how to use this inspect tool in Chrome now. Students, I would suggest you to go on the websites that you frequently visit, such as facebook.com, google.com, or maybe gmail.com, or any other website for that matter, and try to use this inspect tool and see what their HTML markup looks like. It will expose you to different HTML tags, which will help you to understand them when I start introducing those HTML tags to you from next chapter onwards. So this is it for now. In the next chapter, we'll be writing a sample HTML code, and you will be using this inspect tool to see how it looks like. So see you in next chapter, guys.